What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here again. And in this one, my friends, I'm going to be testing out Red Dead Redemption Mobile on this very low-end Android device. And this is just a basic entry-level phone, which is not for heavy titles, and is even slower than the regular phones we have seen on a budget with the Helio G99 or G100, or something like the new Dimensity 6300. You got it. The phone here is powered by the Unisoc T615 or T7250 processor, with a pretty old 64-bit ARM architecture, with two main Cortex A75 cores clocked up to 1.8 GHz, and the Mali G57 GPU, which is a single-core GPU clocked up to 850 MHz. And this GPU is based on Valhalla architecture with Vulkan 1.3 API, and this phone has 6 gigs of RAM. So anyway, I'll close everything and let's get into the test. So here I have already installed the RDR Mobile using Z-Archiver installer. Well, it's officially not compatible with this device. Still, you can able to install it on unsupported Android devices. I already did a video on it, so do check out the cards or in the description. Well, even after installing this version, still some of you may have loading issues on some devices, and some will have graphical error issues. Well, this is just the first version. Hope they will fix it in the next updates. And alright, it's working. Finally, on this very low-end Android device. But it's very slow and laggy. It's way worse than expected. Well, the CPU on this is pretty damn slow. It's getting like 4 or 5 FPS. Alright, let's skip this part. But still, it looks better when it comes to rendering. There are no graphical glitches or texture errors here and there. Let's check out the graphics settings. And here I have set it to 20% resolution scale. And motion blur is disabled by default. And let's see. Still, it's unplayable. A lot of input delay here. Also, there are no NPC or character rendering errors on this one, and it loaded everything like normal. But the only problem is the GPU on this phone, which has a single core with less shader compilers. If you have this Mali G57 with multiple cores, you'll get even more FPS. The more GPU cores you have, the performance will be much, much better and stable.
Yeah! Oh, it was the marshal who hired me. Lee Johnson. Do you know him? I think I heard his name. Says he got a telegram from some black...
Let's go to settings again. And set the resolution scale to the lowest. And holy crap, this looks even worse now. And it's completely pixelated and improved a bit more FPS. But this looks more like the Minecraft version. The Red Dead Redemption Minecraft edition. Sounds good, right?
Well, you're alive.
So it would seem.
So, how do you feel?
I don't know the polite word for it.
I do. Stupid is the word we use around here.
And to be honest, the quality and details look really great on it. And this GPU performance is more like the old NVIDIA GT210 graphic card on PCs, if you remember. Still feels the same though.
I'll see you later. Figured it's about time I started paying back that $15.
Oh, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this test. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And do let me know in the comments. Which phone are you using? And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.